The R1250 RT is the perfect companion for your tour. Its legendary BMW shift-cam boxer engine pulls just as powerfully over country roads as it does over winding mountain passes. Its updated front end makes it look more dynamic and slimmer. On the other hand, there is a wide range of features such as the extra-large 10.25 inches TFT display or available active cruise control, ACC, providing extra comfort on your journey. And at the end of the day, you know that there's nothing like shared experiences and a perfect companion. More space, more clarity, more visibility. The new, large 10.25 inches TFT screen combines all the instruments of the R1250 RT, plus practical functions such as the navigator and connectivity. The split screen gives you an overview of several functions at the same time, such as displaying the onboard computer in addition to the current speed. The color display is given extra sharpness and contrast by the robust, tempered and non-reflective glass cover. Your screen is easy to read even in the midday sun and, thanks to the anti-fingerprint coating, it stays that way. Carefree riding pleasure. The newly available Active Cruise Control, ACC, driving assistance system lets you set the desired speed and the distance to the vehicle in front conveniently by pressing a button on the handlebars. A radar sensor at the front determines the vehicle speed and the distance to the vehicle ahead. In addition to adaptive headlights and ACC, other comfort-enhancing features such as Ride Modes Pro, heated seats and keyless ride. In addition, there is a range of optional equipment and optional accessories. Design the R1250 RT just the way you like it. Your tour, your experience, your machine. The front of the R1250 RT is sleek and encloses LED headlights. Together with a more compact body, this creates a dynamic unit with one clear advantage: an even larger field of view. The new windscreen boasts an impressive patented air duct. Forward suction and air movement on the upper body are reduced, so you continue to ride in comfort even after many hours on the bike. The two-part front wheel cover also underlines the compactness, supports the aerodynamics and reduces dirt on you and your bike, especially in the rain. Italian two-wheeled automotive manufacturer, Ducati, officially launched the premium Multistrada V4 RS motorbike, which has the best toughness ever made by the company with power produced like a superbike. The presence of this touring-style motorbike with superbike power is intended to commemorate 20 years of the presence of the Multistrada family in its home country, Italy. This motorbike is produced by Ducati, with a very sporty and aggressive design. This is proven by planting various carbon fiber components on various sides to achieve aerodynamics. Not only is carbon fiber visible on various sides of the motorbike's body, Ducati also placed forged aluminum wheels to produce maximum weight so that it is not too heavy. This motorbike is also equipped with various sophisticated technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, 4 driving modes, Ducati traction control, Ducati wheelie control, engine brake control, and Ducati quick shift. to add joy when used, not only embedding various technologies. Ducati has also used a frame that can provide stability and very pleasant handling on various tracks through the installation of a steel tubular frame and Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 suspension, which can be adjusted electronically. The Multistrada V4 RS comes with an engine that is not half-hearted. This motorbike uses the engine owned by the Panigale V4, namely the Desmosedici Stradale 1103cc, which can produce 180 horsepower of power with 90 Nm of torque. This luxury two-wheeler is the sportiest, most sophisticated and exclusive Multistrada variant ever made. Thanks to its V4 engine equipped with desmodromic distribution, the Multistrada V4 RS offers unique performance and riding sensation, while maintaining the balance that has always been the hallmark of the Ducati Multistrada. In Euro 5 Plus homologation configuration, the Desmosedici Stradale engine develops maximum power of 180 horsepower, limited at 13,500 revolutions per minute. This value was chosen to guarantee sporty performance while maintaining the balance that has always distinguished the Multistrada V4 since its first version. The RS logo, which is a real characteristic element of this model, was designed by Centro Style and appears in the livery, on the keys and on the dashboard graphic. The sleek tail is specially designed for this bike, helping to make it even sportier. The new Multistrada V4 RS is a no-compromise motorcycle, an expression of the most sophisticated Ducati sports attitude. Multistrada V4 RS is the result of significant work to strike the ideal balance between sports performance and riding comfort. Work on the diameter of the throttle bodies and the length of the ducts ensures heightened rideability and pleasure at road-going speeds. Lightweight and high performance, it offers exhilarating sports riding feeling thanks to the Desmosedici Stradale engine, dry clutch, and sophisticated, race-derived technologies and components. All the thrill of Desmo, all the pleasure of Multistrada. With radar technology and side cases available as an accessory, the Multistrada V4 RS is for those who accept no compromise. An exclusive design with dedicated iceberg white livery and red inserts enhanced with MotoGP-inspired graphic elements ensures the Multistrada V4 RS is a real scene stealer. The Multistrada V4 RS combines supersport character with the versatility typical of the Multistrada family. It is suitable for use with different types of luggage, from plastic side cases to tank and passenger seat bags, and also features a larger windshield. On the Multistrada V4 Rupees, the elegant and dynamic Multistrada aesthetic blends with some of the most characteristic style elements of Ducati supersport bikes. Carbon fiber components such as the front fender, hand guards, heat shield and front peak create contrasts with the iceberg white livery, enhanced with references to the color scheme of the Desmosedici MotoGP. The technopolymer tail section and titanium subframe accentuate the sports attitude of the Multistrada V4 Rupees. The choice of titanium for the subframe makes for a 2.5 kg weight saving with respect to the standard component. The Multistrada V4 RS is equipped with a state-of-the-art electronics package that, among its many features, includes front and rear radar technology as standard, which activates the adaptive cruise control and blind spot detection functions. It also incorporates full power mode and race riding mode, for maximum power in all gears and a prompt throttle response. Having won the hearts of the Ducati Sti on the Panigale and Street Fighter, the 1103cc Desmosedici Stradale comes to the Multistrada as a specific version with revised calibration and 180 horsepower, combining sports performance with the balance for which the family has always stood out. The Multistrada V4RS is the only Multistrada to be powered by the Desmosedici Stradale, the MotoGP-derived engine used on the Panigale and the Street Fighter, smooth and uniform at low to medium revs, electrifying at high RPM. The Multistrada V4RS version delivers maximum power of 180 horsepower, 10 more than the Multistrada V4. From the titanium subframe to the sports-oriented tail section, from the livery to the prestige components, every detail showcases its personality, aesthetics, and unique performance. Just like the Panigale V4R and V4SP, the Multistrada V4RS also features the STM Evo SVK dry clutch in billet aluminum. A component that does not just ensure a smoother ride when braking and shifting but also, with the clutch disengaged, a sound that is unmistakably Ducati. The Turismo Veloce remains faithful to its origins. Elegance, sport and functionality find perfect harmony in a bike unique in its approach to travel, riding feeling and style. The SCS, Smart Clutch System, astonishes thanks to the outstanding ratio between functionality and weight. In fact, at just 36 grams, it offers an immediate riding benefit, maximizing comfort. But what is certain is that this motorbike has brought many changes. What is certain is that the SCS Turismo Veloce Lusso is Euro 5 compliant. The inline 3-cylinder engine with counter-rotating crankshaft and Euro 5 homologation has a power curve which is always extremely reactive to the twist of the throttle. The gear ratios have been revisited to optimize shifting and to further reduce engine consumption, an example of efficiency. The front lift control uses a specific calibration dedicated to the Turismo Veloce range to guarantee an MV Agusta riding experience, combining sportiness and touring in a single bike. The standard equipment on the Lusso SCS version includes the satellite anti-theft system to localize the bike directly from your smartphone. Every trip can be easily monitored and then shared thanks to the MV Ride app. Plus, the 5.5 TFT instrument cluster lets you personalize the performance profiles and electronic controls adjustment. Your adventures are just a smartphone away. The SCS Smart Clutch System significantly improves the riding feeling. The rider can focus on the ride whilst the SCS automatically manages the clutch. Starting from a standstill without even having to squeeze the clutch is one of the many added values of a model that provides riding comfort and sporty thrills. The seat height is now 32.68 inches, and may still make it easier for the rider to reach. The seats are also reported to be softer and more comfortable than before. The second big change is the adjustable windshield, which now offers more protection than before. The windshield is 75 mm taller and 38 mm wider than the previous model. The MV doesn't stop there. MV Agusta tweaked its electronic semi-active suspension to make it more responsive, which certainly sounds promising. The new side bags hold 36 liters and have also been redesigned to exactly match the width of the handlebars. All this in one package with a claimed dry weight of 192 kilograms.